This is your ZNS News Update live at 3. Good afternoon, I'm Desmond Saunders. The nation's finance chief outlining plans to jolt the economy in wake of the COVID-19 crisis that has impacted the Bahamas. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, the Honorable Peter Turnquest, says government will adopt a phased approach following strict protocols.
Islands that have no cases would be the first to be opened. Then we would, in these islands that have cases, that we would open those businesses that are low density, that do not have as much foot traffic as some of the more retail type entities, and then we will reopen those retail and other high density or traffic businesses in a way based upon the experience that we would have gained from the previous opening.
Tourism officials continuing to tap into the lucrative boating market. Tourism Executive Director of Product Development and Support, Dr. Kenneth Romer, underscores why their efforts are so vital.
Air and sea arrivals from January to June. In 2019, for example, we were at some 3.822 million air and sea arrivals. The same period for 2020, we're now down to about 1.7 million air and sea arrivals, which represents again a shrinkage of some 56.1%. Of course, that to us is incredibly concerning as a tourism family, and again, it supports again our view that we cannot successfully operate, and certainly we cannot overcome these hurdles in isolation.
Officials of the Public Hospitals Authority confirming a spike in COVID-19 cases impacting healthcare facilities here in New Providence and on Grand Bahama. The PHA say it is acting to minimize a growing risk of COVID-19 exposure to staff and patients and has implemented a number of measures to protect both staff and patients. The national total count now stands at 1,036. Details of these stories and much more coming up in our national newscast at 7 this evening. This has been your ZNS News Update live at 3. Good afternoon.